Hey everybody, this is Gerald drawing here. Today we are going to be drawing a oversimplified velociraptor. Okay, so you want to draw this circle here, which stands for the lower head, back head area. So we draw the snout here and the mouth. This is a lower and upper jaw, which comes in to the neck. I'm drawing right now the center of the neck and the edge of the neck right here. This will be the chest going in here. And this is the other side of the neck. Here I have the upper arm area, which I'm drawing right now, goes into the shoulder blade. So this velociraptor has its arms curved backwards, so you can see my circles and claws here. Next we're going to draw the thigh for the leg. This one curves backwards like this. We're gonna, just below the hip area, here's the calf and its leg, which stands out there, and here's the other leg, which is partly covered by the body. And for the tail you can just draw a thin line. Now we can start outlining our sketch, which is just a basic clear outline across the entire raptor. Here, top of the snout here, the ridge, the neck area, and this is the chest area. It's going down here. We have the wrist and the hand. Okay, get in for a closer view as we draw in the closer arm. So here we have one claw with another claw. We're going to be drawing in the actual claws later. So right now I'm just drawing in the fingernails and its stomach area into the thigh. Here, ankles, very long ankles in fact. Okay, so here goes the toes and the claws. 1, 2, and the last one, because theropods do only have 3 claws, this one will be extra big because it naturally is a velociraptor. Okay, here's the top of the thigh, the hip, and the tail. Very long, skinny tail, you want to do that. And here's the chew claw for the other leg, which you can see, and 3 visible claws up into the knee. And that looks like a pretty fine outline. So now what we want to do is erase all the unnecessary construction lines that we made during our sketch. If you accidentally erase any proper lines, then you can go back and fill them in. Okay, so now it's time to do in some details like claws and the eye of the dinosaur. Very important. Try not to forget that. And the nostrils and some teeth. Also a very slight but important detail. Makes dinosaurs stand out. Now we can draw in some patterns of the skin and start shading. Okay, see, I'm starting to shade the thigh in a light tone because this is simple. We don't want to go too far deep with it. Later we'll go in and smudge it. Here we shade the foot pretty dark. This other leg is pretty dark because it's on the other side. Shading in the bottom of the arm and the tail, making sure that the shadows are where it's supposed to be and it's not looking wonky. In this picture, the light is likely coming from above, which means we do have to shade in these lower areas like the torso, and then we smudge them in. Okay, so there you get a final view of our dinosaur. Looks pretty good. Hey everybody, Gerald here. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.